Welcome back, guys. Today's art video is a tribute to Sir Vincent van Gogh and to the iconic film Before Sunrise 1995. We all know about the famous mysterious Starry Night painting of Sir Van Gogh, and Before Sunrise is one of my favorite movie, where the two characters from different backgrounds, both intellectually and emotionally arresting, fall for each other, which was portrayed by amazing Ethan Hawke and beautiful Julie Delpy. It's heartwarming and touching. So I thought to portray both in a single painting because love is one of kind mysterious journey, starting at forever, ending at never. The character Celine is elegant and inspirational. In a particular scene, while walking with Jesse, she says, "I believe if there's any kind of God, it wouldn't be any of us, not you or me, but just the little space in between. If there's any kind of magic in this world, it must be in the attempt of understanding someone sharing something. I know it's almost impossible to succeed, but who cares really? The answer must be in the attempt. I guess when you are young, when you believe that you will meet many people with whom you will connect with, but later in life you realize it only happens a few times."
She left her home to find where she belongs. Her mother's scared to leave her all alone, but she got time and she knows what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you'll regret it all too much. Just wait, I will find you someday. So the same, yeah, she does not know that everything she got from her. You got time and you know what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you'll regret it all too much. Just wait.
This film is full of beautiful yet true quotes about life that I can relate. In specific scene, Jessie says, "No one really knows anyone. That's the thing about relationships. People are always saying, I want to know you, I want to know who you are. But it is so hard for anyone to even know themselves. Who I am is always changing. So how can anyone else share in that?"
What to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you'll regret it all too much. Just wait, I will find you someday. So the same, yeah, she does not know that everything she got from her. You got time and you know what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you'll regret it all too much. Just wait, I will find you someday.
I remember in one scene, Celine says, "You can never replace anyone because everyone is made up of such beautiful specific details." So as the beautiful starry night, no one can replace its charm ever.
You're not here, it's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
If you are new here, like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel for more upcoming amazing artworks.